Welcome to the introduction video on Tour Matrix's Service Inquiry module. This module is designed to manage your non-tour package inquiries for services such as ticketing, visa, travel insurance, forex, and other miscellaneous travel-related services. Let us now explore the features and functionality of the Service Inquiry module. To create a service inquiry, go to the Inquiry menu and click on the Add Inquiry and select the Service option. In the Basic Details tab, select if it is a B2C or B2B customer. Enter the customer name and contact number. Next, select the required services from the ticketing, visa, travel insurance, forex, or miscellaneous options. Depending on the inquiry, one or multiple services can be selected. When a service is selected, a corresponding tab is opened in the top menu. Once the basic details are entered, click on Save to create the service inquiry. Let us now explore how inquiry for tickets can be created. Start by selecting the travel mode as flight, train, or bus. Next, select the vendor type and the vendor name from the drop-down. Select the carrier and enter the ticket number if available. Enter the departure airport, departure date and the time of departure. Similarly, select the arrival airport, arrival date and the time of arrival. By clicking on Add New Sector, additional routes can be added for round trips or multi-sector journeys. Using the Notes feature, multiple internal and external notes can be added. Internal notes are for your office records, while the external notes gets printed in the quotation. Using the Upload function, documents such as passports or tickets can be saved. In the Cost Details section, enter the number of tickets issued for adult, child, and infant. In the Vendor Cost, enter the total cost of ticket. Markup on cost can be used when tickets are purchased in advance, and the current market price allows you to sell them at a higher rate than the original purchase cost. The markup on cost amount is not payable to any supplier. Instead, it represents your profit margin. Service fees can be added on per ticket basis, and these charges will be displayed in both the quotation and invoice. If tax is applicable, select the required tax percentage. If the tax is to be charged over and above the service fee, select Collected. If you do not wish to pass the tax impact to the client, select Absorbed. Using Add Another Ticket, multiple ticket entries can be recorded within the same inquiry. Once completed, click Save. Let us now explore how visa inquiries can be created. Start by entering the visa description. The visa type, visa mode, and visa duration are optional fields. Under visa type, you can select options such as tourist, visitor, business, or student visa. Under visa mode, you can select e-visa, sticker visa, or physical visa. Under visa duration, you can select options such as short stay or long stay. Next, select the vendor type and the vendor name from the drop-down. The visa units, vendor cost, markup, service fees, tax setup, notes, and document upload follow the same workflow as explained earlier in the ticketing section of this video. Using Add Another Visa, multiple visa entries can be recorded within the same inquiry. Once completed, click Save. Now let us move to travel insurance. Enter the insurance description. Next, select the vendor type and the vendor's name from the drop-down. The process to enter insurance units, vendor cost, markup, service fees, tax setup, notes, and document upload are the same as detailed under the ticketing section of this video. Using Add Another Insurance, multiple insurance entries can be recorded within the same inquiry. Let us now explore how forex transactions can be recorded. Start by selecting the currency to be purchased and enter the required currency amount. Next, select the currency to be sold and enter the exchange rate from the purchase currency to the sale currency. Based on the exchange rate entered, the sale amount required will be calculated automatically. Enter the service fee and select the applicable tax option. The receivable amount and net profit will be displayed automatically. Next, select the vendor type and the vendor name from the drop-down. Using Add Another Exchange, multiple Forex transactions can be recorded. Once completed, click Save. Using the Miscellaneous tab, inquiries, quotations, and invoices can be created for other services like certificate attestation, etc. Start by entering the description of the service. Enter the quantity and the cost per unit payable to your vendor. Next, enter the service fee or your markup for providing the service. Select the tax and the tax basis if applicable. Based on the values entered, the total cost, total service fees, profit, and quote amount will be calculated automatically. Next, select the vendor type and the vendor's name from the drop-down. Once completed, click Save. Let us now explore the Quote Hub. Here, the summarized result of all services, detailing the vendor cost, markup, service fees, taxes, profit, and the final quote amount is displayed. Using the clone option, a copy of this inquiry can be created and edited without affecting the values of the current inquiry. Using currency configuration, the quotation can be generated in another currency or the quote amount can be rounded off based on your requirement. By clicking on Quote View and Share, you can preview the quotation. Using the Share option, the quotation can be shared with your guest as a link, WhatsApp message, email, or as a Word or PDF attachment. To confirm the quotation, first set the receipt schedule using either the on account or installments option. Once completed, click Confirm Quote, and the quotation status will now display as confirmed. A unique feature of Tour Matrix is that once a quotation is confirmed, the accounting entries are generated automatically. Service inquiry invoices can also be generated instantly and shared with your client. Thank you for watching Tour Matrix's video on the service inquiry module.